I started preparing earlier in April with when the 12th boards weren't delayed. So I took around 6 months to prepare. I joined Examnest. It was the best decision. Reason being that firstly the website, of course the website topic test that is there, and apart from that there are like free YouTube like classes. I think that should not be free because that's one of the best parts which I feel. The questions were there felt like a mock test analysis questions, and that helped me a lot in mock test. I think the most was the YouTube live classes. I followed the Examnest website, all the material. I covered all the material. Firstly, I had completed practice exercises, topic tests. I think the topic tests were very important because they gave an understanding of the topic, how much you have understood, where you are lacking. I would request you all to focus more on verbal ability, and for that, read newspapers. That will benefit a lot, not only in the first round but in the second round, that is personal interview also, because they ask questions related to current affairs, and 6 months of current affairs can't be done in 6 days. So reading newspaper is a must. Logical reasoning, we have classes on YouTube, the various classes that cover all the topics. And also for the personal interview part, I was prepared. Sir and ma'am made me prepare for the personal interview through themselves, through some other mentors too, and I think that helped a lot. Like the direction thing, that was the thing that was told to me by ma'am, and I think that I'm very grateful to her for that. It's not that tough, but one needs to manage well. Like what I did was my 12th boards were cancelled, but at the time when the news of cancel wasn't announced, I used to focus more on boards because they are also important. But at the same time, I made sure that I completely focus on IPM too. What I did was in the morning I used to prepare for boards, and then the evening and in the night I used to prepare for IPM. I com- like for the first 3 months completely ignored verbal ability. I considered it like mathematics. I used to only do the questions and all. I didn't focus. So that I think I realized it early only. So I worked upon it. I started a book, Pivot Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis, that helped a lot. And apart from it, there are verbal ability classes on YouTube that helped me the most. In English, there are not many concepts, but you need to focus. You need to learn new words. You need to remember the rules. You need to revise, and most importantly, the reading comprehension that will come if you read and read more. So reading newspapers is a must, which I feel one should do. As early as one can. Like if you are currently in 12th and even the board exams are 6 months away, then one should not wait to do it after the board. One should do it right now. I started in 12th. I would have benefited more if I had started in 11th. So if someone is in 11th, I would obviously recommend to start now. But even if one is in 12th mid, it's not too late. If you start now, start as early as you can. That will benefit more. I recommend you all to develop your own strategy that you will all get by attempting mocks. What I did was, like for verbal, I completed first the reading comprehension part, because that I feel was scoring and gave me most marks. And after that, I freely completed the whole paper. Interview experience was decent. Firstly, I was asked a question: name the national animal. So I said tiger, and it is a specific type of tiger. So like I got super confused there. And then I was asked about the seven sisters. Name of these are pretty basic questions. One should know that. The academic questions, I was asked around tough questions in accountancy, economics. I was able to answer all. Like personal HR questions, I was able to answer. But like these are basic GK questions. These were in the last. Also in the extempore and IPM Rohtak, I was given a topic EQ versus IQ. So I knew I wouldn't be able to speak on it for 90 seconds. So I asked for a change in topic, and they gave a simple topic: recycle of plastic bags. So like I got a bit demotivated, like from a good topic to such a, I feel it's a low topic. So but the academic questions I answered, and I think the interview went well. They asked for introduction, and then they questioned on the co-curricular. So I think in the interview one has the power to direct it in one's own way.